as we try to replace this shingle here, it will cause damage to these other shingles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 other shingles that are wrapped around this one shingle that may be affected. We're going to go ahead and look at that today as we do this replacement.
It's important to note here on page 187 that a pry bar is recommended for use of breaking the seal on a shingle. Bring me a camera real quick. At this time, we're just going to show a little bit that no real granule loss right now. We did pull a couple up that's already losing some granule loss, not too much right just yet. Okay. Our new shingle here. Come up a little closer. New shingle matches up well. Both sides on the lines. You can see in the back that it even has a nice line up. Looks good. We do show there is a major difference in the colorization here. As you can see, this is the new shingle. This is the old shingle right here. In the state of Kentucky, there is a line of sight law where the uniformity of the roof is required in order for the quality of the homeowner's roof to be maintained. So you can see here already, these shingles are not matching well. Go ahead and back up a little bit more. okay.
Please note the 7 types of damage listed here on page 188 and 189 is tearing or cracking of the asphalt composition shingles, pulling of a shingle past the nail head or fastener resulting in a hole or tear, hinging or fracturing of the granule surface, the displacement or stripping of granules and binder resulting in exposed fiberglass mat, the chipping of a shingle, impact to the lower edges of the shingle, and they may experience delamination, number 7, between the top cut sheet and the lower continual sheet.
As we can see, discoloration showing not uniform to the roof. You can see that. All right. Regarding some granule loss, with 1, not so much as 7, light granule loss on the sides, but some. Looking under the shingles, you can see blow-throughs on 1, blow-throughs right across, blow-throughs. There's some shingle damage right there, rips and tears, blow-throughs as well. Matted loss right across, matted right on shingle 7 is also damaged because of mattedness. Some matted stuck on there. Some matted loss on there as well. This is for shingle 1 as well. Shingle 3. A little bit of matted loss, but we have a new shingle on here, so it'll stick right there. Nothing with shingle 4. Shingle 4 looks good. Shingle 6 looks good. Shingle 5 came up pretty good. A little bit of matted loss right here, stuck on the tar paper on shingle 5. Shingle 2 has been loss of mat as well. We have shingle 8. We have also tears, blow-throughs on shingle 8 as well. So we show matted loss, tears, blow-throughs on these shingles, showing that we will have to be repairing. Number 1 will have to be repaired. Number 8 will have to be repaired. Number 7 will have to be repaired. Number 2 will have to be repaired.